In IELTS speaking, the vowels and consonants have a role to play when it comes on the pronunciations. It may sound odd to you that using or focusing on the words, sorry, the letters A to Z, and if you're not getting the pronunciations right, you may go out of track. There are a few examples of it. When it comes on the pronunciations, how we say song. Okay? You say talk, time. I could not go on time. I could not reach on time. I couldn't reach on time. Talk, time. Okay? Talk. Slice. Because we are pronouncing it I, there will be sly, I. Same as we can have so we are talking about vowels. Okay, vowels. It will be K. We also pronouncing C. Otherwise, it could be cake. Could be cake. A piece of cake, a slice of cake. If you are saying I slice of a cake. Okay. So we have slow, slow. Private. What we say? Private. The private company. The private companies. The private. A kilo. How many tomatoes? Potatoes? A kilo. You usually say kilo. Because we are not pronouncing the K during like this K. Yeah? The king. He is a real king. When it comes on L, right? Letter L. Say L. How about say L? If you say L, there will be smell. Say L, smell, bell, shell, tell. There will be smell, tell, bell. Don't stop on that. Okay? So there will be L. So you have to improve your A to Z letters. Looks like a kid's work, but you have to do it because you are going for your IELTS speaking test, and they'll test a lot because you have to speak English in English. English not in Urdu and not in Hindi. Okay. Okay. Another thing you have to focus is the spoken vocabulary. Spoken English is comparatively difficult. We use a lot of informal English in that. We use a lot of contractions in that. Okay? We try to make it short. Such as students say, there are 5 people in my family, me, my parents, and my 2 brothers and sisters. My 2 brothers and 1 sister. How about you say, I've got 2 siblings. About I usually eat because, or I say to bring something for me because I'm very much hungry. You can say, I'm starving because I'm starving, so you can utilize this word. I will talk about these contractions shortly.